Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel TechBacks. Let's start. Hello friend, today I will discuss about Fairphone 4 smartphone. Fairphone 4 was launched on Thursday as the latest smartphone by the company that is claimed to be ethical, reliable and sustainable. Brand new smartphone Fairphone 4 comes with 5 years of warranty. Let's know about this specification and feature. Included the dual SIM Nano Plus eSIM in Fairphone. Phone 4 run on Android 11. Guys, it comes 6.3 inches Full HD Plus IPS LCD display with Pixwork technology. Also come Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection. Guys, let's know about this processor. Guys, it is powered by Snapdragon 750G SoC with Adreno 619 GPU paired up to 8 GB of RAM. In the term of optics, the Fairphone 4 comes with dual rear camera setup, 48 megapixel primary camera sensor, Sony IMX582 lens with f1.6 aperture lens with 8x digital zoom. Other sensor is 48 megapixel ultra wide lens. Guys, let's know about this selfie camera. In front camera, selfie and video will be handled by 25 megapixel camera, Sony IMX576 sensor with HDR support. Guys, let's talk about connectivity. The connectivity option available in this smartphone: Bluetooth, 4G, LTE, 5G, NFC, USB Type-C port, and etc. Let's know about this other feature. Phone 4 has a IP54 rating for water and dust resistance. Let's talk about battery. It's come 3905 mAh with removable battery with 30 watt fast charging support. Guys, let's talk about this price of this smartphone. Price of Fairphone 4 is 49,800 for 6GB RAM plus 128GB of storage. And other is 55,845 Indian rupees for 8GB RAM plus 256GB internal storage. I hope guys you will do like this video, share this video and also subscribe this channel.